Tell me, what's your name and where have you come from?
My name is Neil, and I'm from Davao City, Philippines.
So, how did your journey go coming here today?
This is my first time overseas. Yes,
Really?
this is my first time.
Your talent has brought you here, and we can't wait to see it.
Yes. Ladies and gentlemen, everything you will about to hear is 100% human voice. Here we go. Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Neil. Human speedbox. Let's go. Get low. Ladies and gentlemen, I have 5 different sounds. Listen. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. 5 sounds all together. Would you like to hear that? Here we go. Five. Thank you very much. Yeah. Thank you. Thank you.
I don't think I've ever seen anything like that. I know that David Guetta and Tiesto make $500,000 a night doing it without using their voice. They could not do what you do. It's so original. It's so amazing.
Thank you so much.
Delivery and everything was amazing. Age's got talent, Neil's got talent.
Oh, thank you so much, Vanessa.
Hey, you know what, Neil? I've not seen as much beatboxing as I'm sure Van Ness has, but I've seen some, and I've never seen it made that entertaining. Yeah. Van Ness, you're eager. You better vote.
Neil, for me, it's a yes.
Yes, thank you so much.
That's one.
David?
Let's make it happen tonight.
Yes.
Thank you so much.
And good?
It's a yes for me.
Thank you, thank you.
You're going to go back to the Philippines, and you're going to tell everybody that you were on Asia's Got Talent, and you went home with 4 yeses.
Thank you so much.